Hi guys, Joe here from Lawn Solutions Australia. Welcome to spring. Spring is a great time of year for our gardens. As temperatures start to increase, your lawn starts to green up and grow again, stretching its legs after a cold, dry winter. As a result of this, your lawn may not be looking its best, so here are our top tips to get your lawn in good shape this spring. Aeration helps air, water and nutrients get down into the soil, creating a healthier root system and a healthier lawn. The easiest way to aerate your lawn is with a pair of aerator sandals or a garden fork. Before you apply fertiliser during spring, make sure your lawn is actively growing and you are mowing regularly. After you're done applying, make sure you water it in well to avoid the fertiliser burning the leaf. Coming out of winter, you may have found a few weeds that managed to fight their way through your lawn. The easiest and most effective method of removal for most weeds is to simply pull out by hand. When you have an abundance of weeds or others that are a little bit trickier to kill, try a specialist herbicide. Just make sure the herbicide you use is effective on the weeds that are present and also won't harm your lawn. Once your lawn has started actively growing, it can be a good time of year to apply a top dress. Top dressing helps correct any uneven parts of the lawn and also helps to thicken up bits that may have thinned out over winter. Before you do top dress, remember to give your lawn a nice slow cut and apply a fertiliser. The best stuff to top dress with is a nice sandy soil, or even something like coarse river sand does the job as well. When applying the top dressing, be sure to never cover the full leaf so it can still get some sunlight. This will give your lawn a nice kick for the months ahead. By following these tips, you'll ensure your lawn is in tip-top shape for spring. Don't forget to subscribe to the Lawn Solutions Australia YouTube channel for more helpful lawn care tips and advice.